let's talk about it. What is, let's make it clear. Right now, what is clear?
What is clear is we need to do the booking process there.
Yeah, he's asking that he be brought to the hospital. You can do that there. Is that too much?
Yes, sir, that's too much.
Oh, is that too much?
80 years old siya. 80 years old siya. 80 years old siya. Walang kaso. 80 years old siya.
Ilan sa Filipino ang nahuli kayong araw na to? Ilan ang dumating sa
Anong kaso?
hospital?
Kaya nga, anong kaso? Gawa lang yung kaso.
Sir, kung kayo lang sir, ilang Pilipino ang binuka, ilang presidente na namumuk.
So that means that you are banking on the inequality of the law because of the statute of limitations.